Welcome back. Today our goal is to recreate one of Firehouse Subs' delicious sandwiches, the Hero. One of the special things about Firehouse Subs is the way they heat up their meat. They steam the meat together with the cheese. Through this process, you can get a very juicy and delicious main topping for your sub. Firehouse generally uses high quality ingredients, so either try to get top shelf meats from your trusted butcher or even make the meats on your own.
First, you need a hoagie bun. You can either buy one at the store or bake your own at home. We tried the latter. The meats of choice of the Hero are Virginia honey ham, smoked turkey breast, and roast beef. For the cheese, Firehouse uses provolone. The toppings are quite simple. You just need tomatoes, onions, and lettuce, and for the sauces, mustard and mayo. So let's start to make our sandwich. First, we will prepare the bread. Just butter both halves of the hoagie and roast the inner side in a pan. While the bread is slowly roasting, we prepare the meat and the cheese. Layer the honey ham, turkey breast and roast beef on a piece of baking paper and put the cheese on top. Now, to get the same juiciness of the meat as in an original Firehouse sub, we heat up the meat and cheese in a steaming bath. For this we use a steaming insert for a pot and put it over boiling water. The baking paper will help you to be able to remove the meats and cheese easily once they are finished. Put the lid on top and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Let's continue with our other ingredients while the meat is heating up. Flip the bread onto the other side for some seconds, then put mayo on the lower half and the mustard on the upper half, and don't be too stingy since sauce is always the best. The veggies are placed on the bottom so that the juiciness of the ham does not soak the lower half of the hoagie. So layer lettuce, tomatoes, and do not forget to salt the tomatoes, and then the onions onto the lower half. Now the meats and cheese should be ready. They are a hot and moist combination of goodness. Put the whole meat combo on top of the onions, enclose it with the top half of the hoagie, and there you go. Your delicious DIY at home Firehouse Sub Hero is ready to be enjoyed.